It has been extraordinary to see the growth and the trajectory of the Institute over the past 20 years, and it continues to be to this day.
Paul Allen wanted to do something very impactful in brain science, and there was a meeting fairly early on in which Paul said, it's going to be based in Seattle, we're going to find a spot.
Back in 2003, the idea of generating the data, putting it out there where anyone can access the data. It's novel. No one was doing it in science as far as I know. And now, it's a part of what science does.
In normal academic science, often each of us is trying to do a huge variety of techniques, and sometimes we're pretty good at some, less good at others, and we're trying to kind of cobble together the best research that we can do. But what the Allen is able to do is create incredibly skilled teams in each of the core areas that you need to put together a larger project.
The Institute is a foundation for science everywhere. Everybody, computer science and biology and engineering, and pulling it all together. Collaboration is what leads to big discoveries.
When history tries to identify how big progress events occurred about this time in our history of the world, it's organizations like Allen Institute that I think will be identified as having played a really critical catalytic role.
I am so excited about what the Allen Institute does. First of all, the research that is going to be life-changing that occurs here, the excitement here amongst the scientists that I met about how they're going to change the world, but also using the open science approach so that people all over the world can have access to this information, and the chances of having great successes in the future are just multiplied by that.
It's just been such a privilege and an honor to be able to work with the Allen Institute for over 10 years now. As we understand how better to diagnose these diseases, as we understand better how they progress, that basic foundational information that the Allen Institute is providing, ultimately I think it will result in better outcomes for patients.
So this is what makes things so exciting for us right now. It's been a wonderful collaboration as a partner between the Allen Institute, all of their collaborators, as well as the NIH and the NIH Brain Initiative. And the next 10 years will be better, and the next 20 years are going to be fantastic. So buckle up. It's going to be a fun ride.